No,
children.
This is, Are you drinking my tea? That's my tea.
So maybe I am.
You pull my leg.
Yeah.
Let's do some improv. Okay. You do know I have a knife.
Okay, press the, you have the camera?
Yeah, I realize you have a knife, Brad.
It's like a pinata.
Kill me?
Get the pinata!
Good for that.
Okay, it's on camera.
Some candy in there. It's just wires.
Is this right?
I feel like, yes, sure.
I feel like it should be. I feel like it should be on like that. Yeah.
That's what I feel. It's just how you feel.
I feel it's
I
right.
sense that it's correct.
Just get a picture.
Of you with the camera? That's like Inception. You know that movie?
Oh my goodness, you think everything's like...
I don't think everything's like
Perfect.
Inception.
Did you take a picture?
I don't really